Hey y'all, good morning. So I just whipped up my coffee. This is 4 ounces of water and 2.5 teaspoons of the Nescafe. It's empty now because I used the last of it. But this intense espresso powder, super good. So I'm gonna dump that over ice. I don't know where my normal coffee cup is, so we're taking the big ol' Yeti today. Dump that in. I love the foamy parts. I have a little bit of this protein shake left. It's like probably a third of it. I'm just gonna go ahead and measure it on the scale so I can accurately get the protein. Milliliters. Dump that in. So 88 milliliters of that. And then I'm just gonna top it off with a little almond milk, which we're also officially out of. Running out of everything. I'm doing a grocery pickup today though, so almond milk added to the list, Nescafe espresso added to the list, protein shakes, add that to the list as well. So, we get any more of that foam? Yes. Just feel like it's good flavor. All right, so we've got our coffee ready to rock. And actually prepped breakfast. I just had enough ingredients to do today's breakfast and tomorrow. And I just made some little breakfast bowls. I've been loving, I'm sure y'all already follow her. If you're on TikTok, you know to follow. I'll put her thing right here, but it's like Michaela Thomas Fit or something like that. Love all of her recipes. I've made some before. My sister had sent me some last night. And I was already planning on eating some of her stuff this week, so sort of meal planned around her recipes that all look amazing. But she kind of inspired me to do my own little breakfast bowl. So let me show you how I made that. Okay, well not as much how I made it, but rather what I made. And I just did some potatoes in the air fryer, 2 scrambled eggs, and some turkey bacon. There on top, I have some little Cholula hot sauce. So I have this for today and tomorrow. And then the rest of the week, I'm gonna do sort of a similar vibe, but I'm gonna do like burrito. So basically this inside a burrito, I'm gonna get some tortillas. I also picked some fruit for tomorrow, or made some fruit for tomorrow. So I just cut up a kiwi, and I have a couple of slices of a delicious sweet pineapple. So we'll have that. We've got coffee. I think I'm gonna get lunch with my dad today, so we'll be eating out. But we're gonna hit goals, reach calories, aiming for less than 1,600 calories and at a minimum like 130 protein. So we're gonna accurately log our protein shake here and our breakfast. Oh, this one's broken. Which actually had tracked yesterday, so it's already in there, so we're good to go. But I'm going to hit the road, go to the office, and I'll see y'all at breakfast. This is so good. Okay, first set of exercises done. We're gonna lay this back and try not to spill our drink. And we're moving on. So we did the shoulder press, and now we're gonna do chest press superset, which is when you lay back and you push them up. And then we're also gonna do a superset with skull crushers, which is like a tricep. So we're gonna do all of that next. This is a push day exercise from Whitney Simmons from her Instagram. I put it in my notes app and I use it constantly. It's my favorite push day. It's how I like to start my weeks out with my lifting. So it's a solid. I'll try to link her exact like Instagram thing video, so you can click on the link and like watch her full video. I just wrote down what it was in my notes. So you can see this is what that looks like, and I just added the little screenshots so I could remind myself when I was first starting what everything looked like, because I struggle remembering the names of exercises. So that is where we're at. And also, as I'm filming this, I'm very self-conscious of like my lower belly fat, but you know what? A lot of us have it. It's totally fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm going to move my hair higher too, so that I don't lay on my clip. But yeah, I'm self-conscious about it, but it's okay. It's a normal body, it's my body, and I'm okay with that. This hair though might be a monstrosity, but to put it up so it doesn't hurt the back of my head. Ooh. Man frame, yeah. All right. 2, 3, 4. I might have to change the weight on those skull crushers to something lighter, because that almost didn't make it on the first set. Okay, we did it. I literally saved that last sip to the end. We gotta go pick up the groceries. Also, I forgot to call in Hutch's cat food. He's on like a prescription food, so he might be eating wet food for the night, which is fine. He needs to eat more wet food anyways, but we don't have any of his kibble, and I forgot. Morgan remembered, but they close at 6 and I didn't call until like 5:05, and you always just have to leave a voicemail. So I'm guessing they won't have it today, but that's okay. But anyways, let's go get the groceries and get home so we can make some dinner. All right, y'all, small grocery haul, but can you believe this cost $107? It literally makes me want to vomit. Normally I get the store brand version of the toilet paper, which is cheaper, but they had a deal with Charmin, Bounty, and Dawn. Spend 40, get 10 off, which actually turned out being cheaper. We needed both of these items, toilet paper and paper towels, so that ended up being cheaper than getting my store brand, and I got some dish soap, so there's that. $10 off. Still was $107, which is crazy. I got some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Love this for coffees. This is, again, I'm obsessed with this coffee, you guys. It's so easy in the morning. I feel like I'm putting less pressure on my Nespresso, which I do feel like is going to kick the bucket soon, so I'm trying to prolong that. This is so good and easy. I got some light mayo because we're out. I also am going to try this teriyaki sauce that I saw. I mean, it's just the Panda one. I don't really eat Panda Express, though, very often. Like, I've had it before, but haven't had it in a while. It's 60 calories for 2 tablespoons, not terribly bad, but I see the Michaela Thomas Fit Girl. She's used this in recipes, so that's why I bought it. 2 protein shakes. This will get me through 4 days of coffee, which is good because I already had a coffee today. So Tuesday through Friday, protein coffee. We'll be getting 21 grams of protein per coffee. Love it. How many times can I say coffee? Tyson blackened chicken tenders. These are my favorite. They're the non-breaded, just like blackened, seasoned chicken strips. So super good in the air fryer. They cook up in like 8 minutes and they're fantastic. Morgan has been doing a lot of ground beef and burgers and just like protein only. And look, I love ground beef, but sometimes I want a little something different. So when he'll make one of his, you know, whatever meals, I like to turn to these quick and easy if we're not eating the same thing. This is my go-to. Also got a couple fillets of tilapia, so we got that. Loving the fully cooked turkey bacon still. 50 calories for 2 slices and 6 protein, which is fabulous, and it tastes great. This will be for breakfast. I got some riced cauliflower. I'm gonna do some fried rice this week, probably with chicken. We have rice on hand. We've got some veggies in the freezer, and probably maybe a little bit of this. We'll see. I got a Tuscan herb salad. This salad, probably half with some chicken for lunch, or even just half as a side salad with dinner. The other half, at least for the lettuce portion, I'm gonna use for some fish tacos. So the night that we make tilapia, I'm gonna put my tilapia fillet on some carb sense tortillas with some of this cabbage, and then make my own little fish taco sauce. So I'm excited about that. Also, I got a carrot for one of my bowl dinners this week. So I literally just bought one carrot because it was 30 cents. It was just so much cheaper than buying any other type of carrot. And then I also got the pasture raised eggs. So definitely a splurge on the pasture raised eggs and the grass fed beef, but this seriously does taste different, and it's so much better. Like, taste alone, you know, ethics aside, this one tastes so much better, and it is worth the extra like $1.50 to $2. I mean, it's on sale a lot, which is nice too. The eggs also, I mean, they just taste good. So we're loving those lately, but that is our tiny but expensive grocery haul. Probably not gonna go 20 minutes, probably gonna go more like 6 to 8. Okay, fish is done. I'm gonna whip up a quick like Chipotle ranch vibe. So I have the Taco Bell Chipotle sauce, Boathouse Farms classic ranch, and a little bit of lime juice. So we're gonna weigh this out, obviously. You don't really need that much of this one because it's pretty strong. That's 9 grams. About 15 grams of ranch. Might do a little more ranch actually, because there's not much calories, oops, in here. 23. And just a little bit of lime juice for some freshness. It's a good consistency for a good drizzle. It's really good. Start with some green. Perfection. These look fantastic. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna grab a carbonated water and we're gonna eat dinner. Wishes he had some of these fish tacos so bad. Poor guy. Okay. Oh. I can't even tell y'all how often I leave that fridge standing wide open until it starts beeping at me. This looks so good. We have, let's see. Ooh, I'm gonna have to do this by memory, or I'm gonna have to watch the clip back. So we used the Taco Bell Chipotle, 9 grams, which is 36 calories. Luckily, that stuff is really high calorie for like what it is, but it has such a strong flavor when you mix it with other stuff. It really stretches and still tastes super like Chipotle vibe. Chipotle flavor, not Chipotle the restaurant, if that wasn't clear. And then we did, I want to say it was like 23 or 25 grams of the Boathouse. So I'm going to put 25 grams, that's 38 calories. We added lime juice, not even worried about it. And I added a cup of chopped cabbage for 22 calories, which leaves us the whole plate 419 calories, 49 grams of protein. From the tilapia, we have, let's see, 38.4 grams of protein from the 147 grams of cooked tilapia. Love it. And then the carb sense tortillas, we're getting 9 grams, 3 each. So 9 grams of protein from there. And that is how we're getting 49 grams. We love it. Woo. I'm gonna do a little taste test. Let me get a picture for the thumbnail. Love it. Okay, let's give it a taste test before it gets too cold. Yum. That is so good. But it needs a squeeze of lemon. The lemon's about to take it over the top. I think I just dropped a seed in here though. I'm not even gonna lie. Yep, lemon seed right there. Okay, we got it out. The lemon sets it off. It could use like a spicy something too. I almost wonder like a spicy sauce would be 10 out of 10. Maybe a little sriracha added to this could be good. We'll see. But I'm gonna eat. I have my carbonated water. Let's see where we're at macro-wise for the day. This is definitely more macro-friendly than the fried rice I was gonna make, which was still friendly, but just because I had a bigger lunch, which was 830 calories, 54 protein. And with that Southwest bowl, I do always eat all the chicken. So that for the day puts us at 1587 calories, which is perfect, right under 1600. We love it. And we're at 133 grams of protein. So perfection. If I have a little sweet treat, sweet bite, I'll let you guys know later where I fall for the day. I'm thinking we'll definitely be in the 1650 range. So we'll see, but I'm gonna enjoy my dinner and I'll see you guys later.